Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video I will show you how to turn on post notifications on X, formerly Twitter. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to X, open it, and after that go to the account that you want to turn on the notification for him. For example, I will test with this account. And of course, to turn on the notifications for any account, you should be subscribed to that account. And after that, go, and as you can see, there is notifications icon on the top of the screen near to following like icon. Click on it. And after that, as you can see, you will have multiple options for all posts and replies, and only posts with live video. So for example, I will choose all posts, and like that, every time that person will post something, I will receive a notifications about it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.